In this video, we are going to remove the RS200 silencer alone, so I'll show you how to do that. Before that, let's hear the stock sound. So as you have heard, the bike silencer sound is actually smooth, but still let's try removing the silencer. So for this, we need two spanners. One should be of 17 mm and one should be of 14 mm. The 17 mm goes to the back side to support the nut, and this 14 mm is the one with which we are going to remove this bolt. So I'll show you clearly. The one we are using to remove the front side was 14 mm and the one that's going to support from the rear is 17 mm. This bike silencer relies only on a single nut, so it's easier to remove, and for that I have 14 mm ratchet too handy, so I'm going to use my ratchet. Please note that you have to take care of two washers, one from the front and one from the rear when you remove this nut, which is very important because only with that you can refit uh, when you want to place it again. Okay, so once that is done, just push the silencer up and down. It's a easy process. So please note that I am just removing the silencer tip. I am not making any change to catalytic converter or bend pipe, which means that this is not mainly for performance improval. It shows how bassy the sound would be. If you want actual performance, you have to change your silencer pipe, you have to remove the catalytic converter, you have to put a new silencer. It's a totally different concept. What I'm doing is just removing the silencer tip, so it has to have a bassy sound. And because of this, there will be no performance change. It's just for sound. Let's hear the sound after removing this silencer. Hope you enjoy the sound. So thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.